What's up, guys? Today we have this Copter Chase Big Rig. It works on the track. It's really cool. And now here's Nate.
Hey guys, what's up? So we're gonna be moving this car today.
The Copter Chase.
Yes, and there is another one actually at the back here.
It shows. I think it shows whatever one the Bone Shaker was designed for.
Yes.
I don't know which one.
But it's still pretty cool.
Yeah, anyways, if you watched the peg hunting video, you would have seen this car in the hall. And anyways, let's do the racing. We actually should open it up and do the racing. Oh my goodness, this is hard. Here it is, guys. It's really flexible, so I think when it goes over those hills, it'll be able to flex really well. Look how flexible that is. You know what, guys? I'll be back in 1 second. I just need to go grab a car to put on it for the race. Hey guys, I put the Porsche 918 Spider in silver on it so that it has a car to tow while it's on its run. Okay, now we're actually going down to do the racing. See you after the run. Okay guys, the final result was 12 meters even. It did really well. I thought it went. It absolutely blew my expectations. Nate, stop that. And look how flexible it is. I'm still getting over that. That's really cool. Anyways, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye. Nate, pop in.
See you later, guys. Goodbye.